There is no snow on the ground right now, neither is there any falling throughout the entire state of Ohio, but we're about to get a major snowstorm that could bring a foot of snow that will stick around for weeks. So it's 3:40 in the morning, and yeah, there is just some incredibly heavy snow out here. Everything is just buried. The visibility is terrible, and nobody is out here besides snow crews just trying to deal with all this snow. We could surely end up with a foot by the time this is said and done. I mean, we already got like 3 or 4 inches. We're getting our last heavy burst of snow before this snowstorm gets itself out of here, but we just got some incredible snow totals with this storm. A record-breaking 16 inches of snow has fallen in the Dayton area. This is a record-breaking storm likely for Dayton since the blizzard of '78, which dropped 1.2 feet of snow. I've never seen this much snow in my life likely, as the biggest snowstorm I've seen was a blizzard in Chicago that dropped a foot of snow. No more. We're likely to not see another storm like this for years to come. It's just a very incredible storm, and yeah, the snow will stick around for weeks. I'll see you guys next time.